So the video that I was supposed to upload this week is on my laptop, which I put into my bag with my water bottle. And when I got home, there was more water in the laptop than there was in the bottle. Oh, shoot. With that fixed, yeah, this video was not planned. I don't have a script or anything. It's probably gonna jump around a bit, maybe not make sense. And yeah, you're gonna kind of just have to take my word for it that any of this is even real, because I'm not about to like reenact what happened or anything. Anyways, I didn't waste any time when I found out that that happened. I immediately took the laptop apart. I got the battery unplugged as quickly as I could, and then I laid out all of the parts onto a box fan to try and blow some air on it to dry it out. Fingers crossed with this one. I don't know what else to do at this point other than put it back together and hope for the best. Also, this laptop, you know, as is tradition with this channel, it was a little cursed. I did a keyboard swap on it, and you're really not supposed to do that on these newer ThinkPads. That process involves breaking off all the little plastic clips that hold it together, and it never really went back together the same. So it's been stuffed with this bubble wrap to try and keep the keyboard sticking out the top. I guess I'll probably put the cooler on next, so I'll get some new thermal paste on there. I don't really know what the best practice is for these laptop chips with the bare dies. I'm just gonna try and spread this out to make sure that there's no, you know, like hot spots or anything. These screws are labeled with numbers, which usually on these means you're supposed to do them in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see a 2 and a 5 here and no other numbers. I'm just gonna hope for the best. SSD acquired. We'll plug that in. And now I guess I need to plug the battery back in. I'm like sweating. I hate this so much. I just have to do it. I have to plug it in. Okay, fine. Oh my god, it's actually not working. Why did it take so long? What? Okay. It's still taking long. What was that? Is it screwed or not? I don't know at this point. I mean, it did stuff. That's better than not doing stuff. I guess we're... Check date and time, press escape to continue. BIOS, do it. Okay, we are in the BIOS. I don't know why the default is 2001 for a laptop that was made in 2022. That seems weird. Getting devices ready. Usually that happens when you like actually change something with the computer, not just boot the computer. Don't know why it's doing that. I'm going to get the project I was working on loaded up here. And okay, yeah, this is working. I'm very happy right now. This seems like it's working and I can keep making videos on here. For the sake of having some kind of data security, I'm gonna put another SSD in so I can keep 2 copies of my projects from now on. I do keep like finished stuff on a server. I don't have fast enough networking to edit off of the servers. Anyway, I'm gonna put this in. Let's get that done. I'm gonna turn this off. Very nice. I don't have a screw for it. In fact, there's just not a way to screw that in, so I'm just gonna tape it in. Yeah, we got electrical tape. This should be fine. Would it be a ScuffedBits video if we were not taping an SSD into my main proper laptop? That's great. Okay. That was completely backwards. New SSD is showing up. Apparently it has stuff on it, so I gotta figure out what that is and find out if I can erase it. Other than that, this computer is working. And with that, the video I was editing on here, you'll see it next Thursday, I guess. So subscribe for that. Did I just hit this and it turned off? No, Discord open, Discord open. It's fine. Everything is fine.